Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. Looking at the NEO hourly time frame, the price moved down with around 2.4% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 8.84. The volume was actually high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 200 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 8.81, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 8.84 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went below the hourly ribbon, so you should see if the price can jump back above the ribbon, or it will play as a resistance to the upside, currently at around 8.84. When we now look out for divergence in the hourly time frame, there was a bearish divergence and the price already went down. If we now look at the current hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the upside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate for some time, and you should wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price crossed the 50 SMA upwards. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. The current price is between the 50 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 8.77, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 9.35 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Looking at the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is in the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should see if the ribbon could hold support, currently at around 8.81. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Searching for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, no divergence was found that could play a role for the future price at this time frame, because the last one was long ago. Next, looking at the moving average convergence divergence, or short MACD, it uses two moving averages, usually the 12-period and the 26-period moving average, subtracted from each other to create a single line, the MACD line. Usually, a second line, the 9-period EMA, is used as a signal line. You should keep an eye out for these two lines crossing, which will indicate a trend change and trigger a signal to buy or sell in the respective direction. Looking at the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. But according to the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is going down. Owing to this, we can expect the price to remain stable, and you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be a downward trend. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.